Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by signing into Google Search Console and selecting the exact property that contains the feed URL. Once signed in, confirm you have ownership or inspection access so commands will stick. Open the left menu and go directly to sitemaps or removals depending on whether the feed was submitted as a sitemap. You do this now to stop guesswork later. Once in these panels, you'll be ready to remove or block the feed URL in the next steps. You now remove the feed through the appropriate tool. If it was added as a sitemap, select the sitemap and delete or remove it from Search Console so Google stops fetching it. Next, use URL inspection on the feed URL to check index status. If indexed, request removal or submit a removal request. If removal via GSC isn't enough, prepare server-side changes, update robots, TXT to disallow, or add a noindex header so crawling stops and indexing drops over time. You finish by verifying the change and watching for issues. Once done, monitor the coverage and removals reports for 24 to 72 hours to confirm the feed URL disappears from results. Rerun URL inspection or fetch as Google to verify the noindex header or robots rule is recognized. If the URL remains visible, clear CDN and server caches and recheck that sitemap entries were deleted and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.